time blessing, brother. Any girl where you see will look good in a this modern days, yeah. Bless up yourself, liquid. And don't have a man, and she had a problem. What I just say a while ago, we are start normalizing them type of thing. Any girl in this modern era, where you rub on the preppings and have on all them long falls here, they will make them look like a dolly, and then don't have a man, them a problem. Any girl, we are start normalize it to leave them in the dust. Any girl in this modern era will say them a dolly and then don't have no. Listen again. Any one of them girl here where you see look like a 6 and I take taxi. Them a problem. I'm alone a driving in my car. I know so much top man boy who is part of all the JLE Benz them. I have Benz truck. I have BMW truck. I need a want a girl. If you can have one figure, who know a problem. Just believe what I tell you saying. Any girl where you see reach 30 and don't married, she a problem. We are start normalizing facts. You're supposed to marry from your 24. And I style me, I tell you the truth. Any man, we are 35 or up and don't have a roof over your head, you're a croft. Any man who is part up in their age, them are youth. 35 and you don't have not even rent and play a cruff. We are start talking short and a girl them alone, a girl no make broke a cruff. I once was a cruff. I'm not a cruff anymore, Your Honor. I once was a cruff. Any man who are 35 and don't have a roof, not even renting and pay a girl yard, him a cruff. So ladies, we are balancing out, we balance everything balance. You know like what we just say, well, any one of them pretty girl where you see, catch up in a taxi, you know, push them out. Push them out, all like taxi driver them, take up the regular girl them with Khago love, and make them hot girl them burn up in a sun. You hear? Burn up in a sun because them a problem. Any one of them man a shot down on my line 35, 40. And don't ever buy a black. Alright, if your house not done yet, not even one room, go suck yourself. You're a cruff. I once was a cruff. No boy can't chat to me. There's some boy come and talk about your house done. Who a build house? What you call house? Get back to the thing again. Anyone who no boy out there with 35. See Dana see a 20 mil for fame house. Some boy don't know the price for a wire nail. And man not even use nail again and screw where I use. Screw. And some boy don't know the cost of a wire. Me say not even rent. Some man not pay. Listen. Dumb fall can catch any man in a life. But I know a girl them alone a cruff. A two kind of cruff you have, man cruff and girl cruff. But the difference with girl cruff, you can't follow them. Because Because one simpleton, we take them up with all 3 other man pitney. You can't follow a woman. So that's why you're not supposed to waste out the 20s with them. You know what save boy like me? My 20s. And my 20s save me. And my 20s save me father bad. What you talk about, man? We are straighten them out. You hear? You can't in your 20s and a run down girl. You can't 20, 21, 20. What a man. I when you're 30 years old as a man, you fi start seek one companion fi say. All a girl me go second along with. If you never have her from you're young. You hear me, God? Yeah, man, see, Dolly there say she might right. That's why you fi married. You are 24 years old when you're in your prime. At the time that you're married, because no real man. 99% of any woman will over than the age there in this modern era when man wise up. Married to you when you are 30, 35, 30 red. You're lucky. Lucky, you're lucky. Please guys, may I beg you guys, go and subscribe to my podcast, my YouTube channel. It is called Sideman Corner 1. Over there so. Because TikTok now go on right. You understand? And me and Uno, I go have fun. So I want to go subscribe when we can have 1,000 fans, 1,000 subscription when we can get the live button. Yeah, mama, why so why you say why problem? How you know no man? Why your problem? Mama, when you're young, you have to like him. If you're not lucky when you're young, how you think, mama? Remember, say man and woman age different. One of my girl up on the line and one, she can tell us, say, yo, me did look older than her. And she can tell us, say, yo, right now, Khago still can bag one whole heap of 17 and 18 and 19 and 20. From you got T. You got your whole woman from you got 21 to some. We age different. You understand? Ask them. So ladies, you don't waste out your prime time and follow some girl on TikTok. And that's why I can't wait for them delete the app where they call TikTok. Because TikTok turn on an idiot. You hear? When you're in your prime, I care zero, the government says 17. But why? Did you know say 17 the government say? The government says 16 should say. So if we say 17, why you come and why about? We are warriors. Let me ask you something. The government says 16-year-old. And if one man has said, he might go wait until he's 17. You go why him? When you are 17, I can tell you I'll be a taxi man and fuck you. Hey man, we are grinding older than your daddy. You understand? So Canada and Jamaica are 2 different things. 2 different things. You know, if you behave on yourself and stop going like you know want shame man, and then type of something they don't always try to do. See, the government says 16. And in an Amish community, 14. And some place at 12. Girl are married from them at 12, then just can't live by themselves. Well, no come and try fit style people. I know all of we are going to do it, but we just tell you how the system set, how the law set. The law in Jamaica said 16. Consent can do whatsoever she want to do. She can move out of your house and go married. In some place at 12, you can marry for at 12. But you can't live by your own. You still have to live with your parents them. Or you get to yourself. And them type of thing I make you feel like so you don't have time. From you reach 30, you pass a prime in a moment. From you reach 30 at 10%. an argument you have left. Six power fatness I tell you say in a Canada there at 16. What are you saying? Oh no, if you start understand so far you're 16. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You have 8 years. 8 years. To build a life with a good man or a good boyfriend. And you develop on yourself and trust on one another, like on one another, and know say nothing can stop us. No boy nor no girl can come between us. But guess what? When you shame 16 and 17 and 18 and 19 and 20 because you know say man will have sense a young girl they love. You and a man if you from your young. If he take you up at certain age. Listen what I say. We don't love vintage, not in a vintage, we don't love. A new car we drive. Wanna make it right. Wanna right in a it. Me want to ask you. What do make it right? Tell me what not right. The government says. The government says. Now me I ask you. In the law, Congress, Canada 16, America 18, Jamaica 16, and some of the girl we are 35 come and talk about right because no one shame man. If man feel guilty and come take up an old car and park up. Like we no think say a dead house man around. Hey, so let me tell you something. You see, woman a problem, you know. Listen what me I say. You can't come on my page and I say certain type of things. You understand what I say? Maybe everybody they would depend on the page and then just depend and then not tell nobody say I'm a baby father, I'm a Ray, or I'm a ex-man that. What you are do? Here the number 830-6067. Yes, one lady I say her husband had the 36 and she had the 24. Right? Me I tell you, man always have there with a younger female because he knows say if him dead first, she still can't find her next man or by time him fi dead, the pitney them reach good age. You understand? You have to understand biology and stop whore out to the days and wait. And things say man are going to take you open in all. Because man need picnic. And man always there with younger girl. Because man knows the man 99% of man always dead before the woman. Can't believe say you come on my page and come and talk and type of sitting on my girl. You just have something with spot. Some people just not understand. Sometimes you not violate in my youth. You the man page, but you don't want to know if me and you use a talk, brother. Me not like them type of attention seeking style in my youth. Yeah man, go and hit and run out to no prime. Yeah, say the right way my youth. Yeah, hit and run out your prime. Hit and run out your prime. We get it, you know. Reason why, listen. The reason why man don't want no old woman because we know say when you know young, you know fucky and everybody fuck on. So that's the reason why. And all that hit and run, when I hit and run, we just sit back and say, okay. Alright. So man afraid if he go down in a man level and every man round an arcade, I say, sure. A David used to grind that man. Okay, we're going to a fish market. Okay, a Samson used to grind that man. Okay, we're going to a clothes store. Okay, Bernard. Man afraid of them there. Thing there. You understand? That is a problem. It's not like the younger girl them. Listen, the younger girl them fucky more than the big woman them, you know. Me not tell you no lie, you know. But man still we choose them over you. Just for paternity sake. You understand? A man still will choose a younger girl. A younger girl fuck 100 man. And the 35-year-old uncle 20. And the younger girl are just 18, you know. And she fuck 100 hard man already, you know. And the man were at 35. I got choose the whore. Because of paternity matters, mama. You understand what I say? It matter. He knows that even though she are 18 and she grind 100 man already, she has still one newer vehicle and she have one whole heap of head. That is one of the problem. Dolly baby, I say you are 28 and I'm going to have 4X. That too much. Dolly baby, listen what I say, Dolly baby. I'll tell you something. Dolly, you see that what you just said a while ago? You think say you get no sticky and no good marks in my class with that? Dolly baby, you know what is an X? Dolly baby, 4X. Dolly baby are 28. I have 4X. X you say, you know. X means you have 4 real man. 4 real man, that is like marriage. Dolly baby, you better you tell me say you are 28 and you grind 60 man. Then if you tell me you are 28 I have 4X. X means like you're married 4 times already. You know, if you careful, Dolly baby, cupboard, somebody smart, Dolly. You know what is 4X? Dolly baby, a 1X me ever have for the day be born. Me not do her nothing, me just tell her don't talk that again. You hear? Then, remember say, you know, if she have 4X, you know, every time, every man we one woman have, she still have one where she there with before you, she now left him. And she have your replacement where you she go and make tasty pum pum. So you always have it in the middle. Then you become an X and she just work with the standby man. Then the standby man thinks like, so listen, you know have to understand. We start understand how the nature of a woman. Where no woman don't have one man. She have one regular fire coal where easy to catch back. You know, and she'll have your replacement line up. So every woman have 3 men at a time. So when you say you have 4X now more, we start multiply that by 5. So please don't say it again. I educate Khago, I educate you know. Mama, me know say, you no spend too much time on listen Kim Kardashian and them. See? You say your co-worker 60 and a date one for? That can't work. The only way that it'll work unless a the man I did 60 and she a 40. Dolly baby, me just a teacher. Don't say that again, Dolly baby. Don't say that again. You see when you say X, Dolly baby, the man knows 4 serious man out there. You have 4 serious man, Dolly baby, who start a your man them there. Cause woman no left there, man. Dolly baby, the only time our relationship really cut off if the man hate her enough to cut it off. No matter how you see that woman a boom flick and a go on. Once you did one of her man, hard for she left you. And you as a man if you just know say yo that the bridge them here mash it down and bam me up. God. Listen what I say. Why? Hey, you don't be understand say yo I give me sitting for chat say no. Nonsense. No woman hard left there, man. And that's why it's hard for you to take up a woman when you have a next man picnic. Because they not left. You hear? If you carry her go to America and the man don't have a visa, they still have a conversation with the picnic. There is no time. Little feelings are going to gather in, but I'm sorry, you know, man. You know, it's a rare. Slip me one pum picture. You talk about nonsense. Don't say what? Rick Storm, subscribe to my YouTube channel over Sideman Corner, you know. And me I go want you all a talk with you because I want you to give me a strength, you know. I want you to give me a strength. See, no woman, and I just boy like me when I chat to none of my baby mother them. They not chat to me, but me know why they not chat to me. And their man tell them say don't chat to him. Cause me know say if you and him a chat, you send him back as picture. Yes, me understand. And if you chat to him, he's so nice. Which part him I go get back in your life? So make for peace reign. She vex with me. And me understand. Me not fight it. Me not because girl love me. See? But you have some man who can't get girl. Them are go use the baby to antagonize the woman till she dead. Can they say I share the price? So it can they first I ever go hear this mama. But I am sorry, you are not. So it can they the only way you are the price. The only way you use the price, sweet candy, unless you find a man where you are take care of him and you in a better position more than him. But you want somebody with better off than you. You want a man with stronger than you, taller than you, richer than you, in things sort out. I can't you high price. Another type of something there and mash up the girl them. Because you don't want certain type of man who is smart down the round a supermarket back throw them a shake dice. Listen what me I say candy. Man like a we candy we spot always home. Have nice vehicle park up out the door. Can carry go a supermarket and full your trolley. 60,000-70,000. Not me no. Me not do that type of something but me just I say them a type of boy don't throw them in an arcade. I say flush straight and cheese. You have to get one of them man there. For you become a price. Them a type of man, sweet candy. Don't dip on the line and say hello. Yeah. You just win a sweepstake by Bristol Peck. When you get one of them the type of man, the sugar candy, You are the price. But when you find a man, when things sort out, which part can make you live and cock up your foot? And don't make a gill come down under you so like a iguana too early. And don't make a handbag flap and a church way for your 24. I know your price at him. He hard to come by. Me just I tell you. So you see later on you come off of that thing, you start treating different. Age difference no matter, mama. Young girl man love, whether he rich or he poor. When you see a man, a woman, my lad, when a man take up one big woman and love you. You hear? You can't lose where you feel. You can't lose what you never have. A loser alone lose things. I am not a loser. Man a winner. Man a winner, man a winner. Eh? Listen what I'm saying. A loser alone lose things. A woman lose we. We not just show them around the market round there. So you know what you say? We not round a market back show down. No girl can replace we. A waste man you replace. We irreplaceable. You can't find a boy who have more money. But him have to sit down with you for 5-6 years. You can't find a boy who have a longer hood. But he now come in at night time. You can't find a boy who can drive more than you. But I don't feel him carry my drive. Mama, you cannot replace a good man. A good man is irreplaceable. And you cannot replace a good woman. But a man where you cannot replace, mama, can find a young girl and train her to become a good girl. You cannot find a man where you craft and train him to become a good man. It not happen like that. You hear me just say, mama, you cannot replace, you know, the amount of woman we see on the internet and whisper at their church a ball because they left them good ras baby father. Left them good baby father. Left them good husband. Left them good boyfriend. Because friend and TikTok say so. You cannot replace a good man, mama, but a good man can take a girl off of the pole and get 5 good years out of her. And as she makes up and start similar her own fat, we let her go. You can't try that and find back a good man. You always can find a man with a longer hood, mama, but it's a dog the back of that hood. And now you have to go walk and start mining. You have to work and start mining. And that no feel good. That only I go feel good for 2 months or less. Because you start play the role of a man. A man can take any girl and get 10 good years out of her. And as soon as she start follow TikTok, boom, you carry her back, go down a bus stop and put her down. Or you just carry her back, send her home one weekend if you go look for her daddy. Then you call her daddy and say, don't send her back. You hear? So let me tell you something. I don't stop play around and have good man and things. So let me tell you something. Man love for real, but when a man done, you think say you, me soon have something about, yo, when woman left you all 10 years. No, the man left you 20. The man just stick around because I pitney. The man just stick around because he have things to lose. You don't understand. You know how long he left you? You notice him coming and he would not turn up for you? You better come down and find no high horse. Remember, say, a voice make man penis stand up, you hear? And if the man a come in and look for you, and he don't care if you fuck junk or a dog, or if yo, Jada say, Jada fuck dog, Jada fuck puss, Jada. Some man don't care if you do that. He just start tolerate you. But who no feel like a true man now telling us, me and you left and the first year me and you there. Man I go start telling you them type of something there, you have to start humbling yourself. How do you think you know the price? High quality man, though easy if you come. You think you can go find good man round a fish market? You think good man dash way on the beach side? Okay, yes, man, there. We didn't just stick out some more than for your man. Yes, we don't say that. But dash way, your good man, we spot did already tell God, say God, other one of me I go all and quail up with. You no gamble too much with you no good man. Man, we spot either take off your pad when you're sick and beg you. He refuse to make even the maid see you in a certain state. The man did make up his mind to do that for you. Man will spot when you shit up yourself, he may that change you. And you no make TikTok and some orange friend make you no left you no good man. Then you no come and talk about it in a price. You no think say good man frightened for your car, and good man frightened for girl house, and good man frightened for girl money. No, good man want for them own. Waste man frightened. Listen, a waste man. Any woman out there, which part can convince a boy if he can't live with her, is a son she a look. She soon left you. She just want to know so she have a son, a big son at home. But she still have to find a real man. She just a use of for a second. See, you know, wake up and ladies, you know, calm down and start humbling yourself because you know, put too much price on yourself.